Hi, welcome to River Oaks Chiropractic Clinic. I'm Dr. Don White. We're your Fort Worth, Texas chiropractors. Got Victor with us today. He came in earlier this week, just feeling real tight, not feeling good. Like I need an adjustment. Got his first ring dinger the other day. Why don't you tell everybody what was going on?
So my back was being very compressed. It felt very tight from work, and the more I walk and work and lift heavy, it hurts. And I've been watching a lot of videos of chiropractors, and I heard he was here in River Oaks. So I looked at all his videos. I was like, oh, he does a ring dinger. That's what's different from all the other chiropractors. And I did come in and get one, and it felt amazing, a lot better, decompressed. I felt like I can breathe a little more. So I'm just hoping to get that again.
So it's your second time to come by this week. And remember, if you're out there watching this video, you need to be a licensed chiropractor to do this stuff. Do not try this at home. All right, let's get you laying on the table. So his initial complaints were upper back, neck, and low back. As he described, a lot of compression and tension, right? Loosen up the upper back right here, get those ribs back into play. All right, man, let's go in the other room. Follow me. Actually, I'll let you lead the way. You know where you're going. All right, we're gonna have you sit down right here and put your feet down towards that end. Head back up here. Go ahead and scoot down just a little bit. That's good, right? Put your hands on these, push yourself up towards your head. There we go. That's perfect right there. How was work the rest of the week since you got adjusted the other day?
It was good. Okay. I felt good, and toward the end it felt a little tight, so I thought it's time to come back.
Time to come back. Let your head relax. All right, keep your teeth together, breathe through your nose. Should have felt that one pretty much all the way down to your tailbone. Easier on the breathing. Let's get your neck adjusted. One more right above that. Other side, let that ear drop down in my hand. That's a good smile, man. So just for your weekend to get going right.
Yes. Ready for Monday again.
Ready for Monday? All right. Now, just as mentioned the other day, you will be sore for a day or so. Okay, make sure you ice over the weekend. Let's check out these shoulders. Is it the right one that usually gives you the most grief when you're lifting and carrying stuff?
Yeah, sometimes.
All right. Go ahead and stand up. Let's check out the wrists and elbows because they're connected to those shoulders. Breath. How's it feeling?
Feels good.
Yeah.
That's really what feels good. Yeah. I don't know. My back feels like this, and when it happens, it just feels.
Perfect. Just
and I can move.
Relaxes. Yeah. It's kind of intense in the moment, and then relaxes.
Right.
Awesome.
So.
Well, hey everybody. Thank you for watching today. Y'all have a great weekend. Remember, we are your Fort Worth chiropractors. Go ahead and follow us, like us, subscribe to our channel, share with your family and friends. Come and see us. Thank you.
I recommend.
He recommends. All right.